Hi, I'm Jake Craig, National Account Manager for BraunAbility. BraunAbility has been providing solutions for wheelchair-accessible transportation for 50 years. As a global leader in mobility, we leverage this experience and expertise to provide innovative products to allow people the ability to get to the doctor, to the store, to where they need to go. Let me introduce you to the ADA rear entry Simple Stow wheelchair accessible vehicle built on the Toyota Sienna Hybrid. This wheelchair accessible vehicle is built on a hybrid chassis. Hybrid vehicles utilize combustion and electric motors to propel the vehicle. Using the strengths of both combustion and electric motors translates to improved fuel efficiency and reduced exhaust emissions. BraunAbility wheelchair accessible vehicles are designed to provide mobility independence for wheelchair passengers. Familiarity with proper operation and maintenance procedures will help ensure safe, trouble-free operation.
This operational video is supplementary to the instruction provided in the manual and is not a substitute for reading the manual and following its instructions and warnings.
The rear entry wheelchair accessible vehicle features an ADA-compliant manual-operated Simple Stow ramp. Rear hatch provides 56 inches ADA vertical opening with entrance sliding and vehicle transmission interlock. ADA-compliant entrance ramp lighting that functions in sync with OEM interior lights activated by doors, liftgate, or dimmer controls. The rear hatch must be fully closed before transmission can be shifted out of park. Before utilizing conversion features, park the vehicle on a level surface away from traffic. Place the vehicle transmission in park and engage the parking brake. When not in use, the Simple Stow ramp rests on the vehicle floor. The ramp is deployed or extended to fully deployed position for wheelchair passenger boarding and exiting. The term deploy indicates extending outward motion of the ramp to the deployed position. Stow is the retracting inward motion of the ramp to the stowed position on the vehicle floor. The ramp is manually deployed and stowed by an attendant. 3 oval-shaped handhold slots are provided, 1 on each side of the ramp and 1 in the center of the ramp platform. Carefully deploy and stow the ramp using the handholds. Lift the ramp so that it is parallel to the vehicle floor before manually stowing. Push the ramp straight into the vehicle and avoid binding the ramp. Keep clear of the ramp mechanisms when stowing the ramp. Remember to use good body mechanics when manually stowing and deploying the ramp. The Simple Stow ramp is stowed in a vertical position when a wheelchair passenger is being transported. To do this, deploy the ramp fully, lift, and fold the ramp to the vertical position. Be sure the ramp engages the rubber retention knobs fully. Ensure the ramp is fully stowed and latched before closing the tailgate. Ensure tailgate is fully latched before closing the rear hatch. Be certain there is adequate clearance outside the vehicle before deploying the ramp. Keep clear of the area in which the ramp operates. Be certain no person or obstruction is within the path of the ramp when deploying or stowing the ramp. Keep clear of all ramp moving parts and do not attempt to grip or hold the ramp sliding and folding mechanisms during operation. Keep body parts and obstructions clear of the area in which the ramp operates. Wheelchair passengers and attendants must use basic common sense and good judgment regarding ramp safety. Each wheelchair passenger has a unique set of physical abilities, combined with the physical characteristics of his or her wheelchair that dictate the method in which he or she will enter the vehicle. Consequently, the procedures for safety operation outlined in this manual are general in nature. Wheelchair attendants should be instructed on any special needs or procedures required for safe transport of the wheelchair passengers. A 2-passenger foldaway seat may be available as a rear seating option. The 2-passenger seat is mounted on the cantilever seat base. The seat can be stowed clear of the lowered floor for unrestricted wheelchair access when not in use. If equipped with a flip-down rear bench seat and the Simple Stow ramp, the ramp should be in the vertical stow position when the seat is deployed or in use. To deploy the seat, rotate the truss lock counterclockwise to unlock the seat. Then push the seat deploy latch. Pull top of the seat and lower to the full horizontal position. To deploy seat back, push down recline lever and raise the seat back rearward to vertical position. Please ensure latch engagement. To stow seat back, push down recline lever and lower the seat back forward horizontal position. Ensure latch engagement. To stow the seat, lift seat stow latch and lift seat to full vertical position. Rotate truss lock counterclockwise to lock the seat in the vertical position. This BraunAbility conversion is equipped with Q-Strength QER electric retractors. Electric retractors are controlled directly through the vehicle's electrical system and can be used as front tie-downs where there is limited space for an operator to complete securement. Electronic front retractors speed up the loading procedure for the rider and the operator considerably. The operator will no longer have to access the wheelchair passenger through the sliding doors to secure the front retractors. This conversion is equipped with Q-Strength QRT Max slide and click rear retractors. QRT slide and clicks allow for easy one-handed securement with both visible and audible click, positive locking indicators. QRT slide and click compatible pucks have been added to the side deck for easy, simple, quiet storage of the retractors when not in use. ADA-compliant LED lighting has been added to the lower floor section of the vehicle and the rear hatch. The rear hatch is equipped with an interior hatch release. In the case of loss of power, please pull the release to unlatch the door and then open the door from the interior of the vehicle. BraunAbility has a proven track record of producing economical and dependable commercial vehicles designed to keep you running day after day, year after year. We strive to maintain an exterior OEM look for consistency with other vehicles in your fleet. For the interior, you can maximize space and flexibility with the Simple Stow ramp. The ultra lightweight ramp is easy to use, quick to deploy, and snaps securely upright when transporting a client in a wheelchair. When not in use, the Simple Stow ramp fits flush against the floor, providing ample room for stowing luggage and other cargo items. The Simple Stow ramp is 33¼ inches wide and has a 1,000 pound capacity, tested at a factor of 3. This conversion has been durability tested at an independent testing facility at a factor of 300,000 miles. Optional features include third row second passenger folding bench seat and a DOT kit. Each Toyota Sienna with Simple Stow from BraunAbility will feature standard BraunAbility custom running boards with integrated step. This conversion features OEM fuel tank and OEM muffler. It also includes a transmission interlock and rear backup alarm. This conversion retains the OEM second row sliding bench seat. The tailgate utilizes OEM Tier 1 latching system, minimizing vibration and road noise. WeatherTech custom sculpted mats are standard for enhanced floor protection and sound deadening benefits. Quiet, easy, and smooth. It's the most convenient and efficient mobility solution for your fleet. Contact your BraunAbility dealer today to see how the new accessible Sienna Hybrid can help you maintain ADA compliance and your bottom line.